Welcome to another video. Take a white sheet of paper and with the help of a black marker draw a door and two rabbits on the sides. Then with the help of another black marker draw the leaves on top of the door. You must have noticed that earlier the drawing which looked like a door has now transformed into a carrot. Color it with your own wish. Draw a circle, draw two small circles below and then again draw a hair of the circle. Then cover the hair around the circle. Carefully draw the branches, the leg, the eyes, the nose, the paws and the tail. The lion is ready. Take another sheet of paper and carefully draw two heart-shaped drawing. Then with the help of carefully the marker and the sketch pens, draw small crocodile legs, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the teeth, the paws, the upper extended dragon scales and give it a finishing touch by coloring it with green colored marker or a sketch pen. Just in consistency and pauses, give it a yellowish and greenish look. Lastly, draw spots and polka dots on the dragon tails. Draw a circle in the middle, draw another circle inside, draw a beak, draw small peacocky feathers, draw a peacock neck, the leg, small legs may be helpful. Then draw the big enormous peacock feathers, draw small peacocky feathers inside as well and small circles inside that feathers. Then color the head with blue and body with dark blue. Then draw the rest of the part of the peacock feathers with green. Outline it first and then fill the color inside. Take a white sheet of paper, draw a small circular part of the head, then draw the whole body with small paws and the tail. The tail should look like a wagging tail. Draw small taily parts inside else. Draw one small and one big half circle. Cover that semicircle with another small semicircle. Draw small legs, draw small eyes, the tail, the hump. Draw one small and one big semicircle. Draw two small heart-shaped circles. Draw eyes, the legs, the fingers, the small hands, the legs. Then draw a big long squishy tail. Thank you for watching.